How to use castor oil correctly. Castor oil is often avoided by many people because of its thick and sticky form and strong smell. However, if you are looking for a cheap and natural remedy with tremendous benefits for your skin and hair problems, then look no further than castor oil. Castor oil is an age-old remedy for skin and hair-related issues. Older people considered it a secret to their beautiful skin and healthy hair. Magic of castor oil lies in its nutrient composition. It contains a significant amount of vitamin E proteins, omega-6, and antioxidants. On top of all, castor oil have an excellent antibacterial property. Castor oil works as an effective solution for wrinkles, acne, and other skin problems. It is equally effective for hair fall, premature graying of hair, and other scalp problems. Here is how to use castor oil correctly. For younger looking skin, most of the cosmetic products have a tendency to strip the oil away from your skin. Your body tries to compensate for the lost oil by producing more oil. This results in an inflamed, cracked, or oily skin with crops of acne. The best and cheapest natural remedy for this is castor oil. But there is a trick in this. As castor oil is very thick, you should mix it with a carrier oil before putting it on your face. Best carrier oil for castor oil is coconut oil, almond oil, and olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and mix it with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil, and mix well. Just apply this mixture on your face, and massage gently in a circular motion. You can keep it overnight, or wash it off after 30 minutes. Castor oil nourishes the skin, and restores its natural moisture. What you will see is a younger looking, acne-free, glowing skin, in no time. Here is how to use castor oil correctly for falling thin hairs. Take a glass jar, or steel bowl, and add 2 parts castor oil, and 1 part carrier oil, like coconut oil or almond oil. You can add a few drops of essential oil to mask the smell. Mix all ingredients well. Fill a larger bowl with hot water, and put your castor oil jar into this hot water bath. Make sure no water goes in. Leave it there for 2 to 4 minutes. Put this warm oil into an empty applicator bottle. It helps an easy application. Dampen your hair if you wish. It helps your hair with better absorption. Keep a towel on your shoulder to protect your clothes from oil spill. Use the applicator to put oil on various points on your scalp. If you don't have applicator, then dip your fingers in the oil and apply it on your scalp. Massage your scalp with fingertips in small circular motions. Take your time, and make sure your whole scalp is wet with oil. Take rest of the oil, and put it on your hairs, by rubbing them gently between your palms. Put a shower cap, and wrap a hot towel around your head. Keep the towel on for at least 30 minutes to 3 hours. You can also keep it overnight if you can. If your hairs don't feel too oily or sticky, you can leave it like this. If you wash your hair, then make sure to use mild shampoo or conditioner. Do this treatment once or twice a week.